Get out there, man.
Ah, look, it's so raw. I love it because I am one of the baddest niggas you ever saw. I'm freestyling on the chain though, and I don't give a fuck because I'm giving you what you need off the brain though. Nigga giving you everything, nigga, that you want though. I don't give a fuck, big booty bitches, you gonna get slapped though.
Police coming, man. Police coming. Police coming. Somebody call the police. Oh, shit. Here they come down the street and shit.
Yeah,
Yep.
I'm ready to shoot at one of them bitches.
Shoot at one of
Put
them.
that shit on camera.
Shoot at that shit.
Pop. Fuck them niggas. What y'all want, bitch? I'm telling you. I'm letting all y'all hoes tap out in 6 seconds. I swear to God. Put some money on it. I swear on my Jesus. I hate to say my people that's dead. I hate that on my family. I hate to say that they dead, but I'm gonna say deceased. Holla at your nigga. Who wanna fuck with me? I swear. Put money on it. I'm big dick daddy too, baby.
You know what, bro?
I'm that
I got
one,
niggas
two,
on deck.
better type nigga. Right?
No.
I got it going on.
What you doing?
I'm recording them. That's it. That's all.
you cool.
Yeah, that's it. That's going on. It's going on. He funny.
Fuck out of here. I'm about to mess money around here.
No, hey, they ain't gonna be recording you for fun.
Oh, my
This for fun.
No.
My
You
nigga
gonna get
funny
caught up
too.
with some shit.
Get up in here. Get up in here. My nigga funny.
What's up? What you doing?
Record.
Hey, take a picture.
I'm recording him. He getting recorded.
Let me watch this. Record me too.
Yeah. All the
Wait,
hoes
before you
already
record
know.
me too, let me see what you doing.
I'm just recording.
All right,
I
pause.
bring my people
I can't
around.
pause it. I'm recording. I ain't gonna stop it because it's gonna make another one.
Yeah.
Take up a little memory.
No, hey, I want my
You
nigga
that
to drink.
shit.
Don't record me. I'm gonna stand
All
behind.
right, I got you.
Come on, nigga.
All right.
This nigga. Hey, leave my nigga alone, man.
I ain't fucking with him.
Yeah.
Doing this damn thing, man.
He a G. He a folk. And these niggas don't know who they know. Nigga, I'm a G too. Boom. And I bang on they soul. Something you can't never record. Man, hey, hit that nigga.
Hit who?
It don't matter.
Yeah, everybody gonna hit me, man.
Man, hit that nigga, man. that nigga right there, he in the zone.
No, I'm just saying. They saying hit a nigga.
Oh, that nigga trying to do this shit, man.
Oh, him?
Yeah.
Let him do what he do, nigga.
Don't hate on me.
Hey, man, you my G, man. This nigga getting it in. We ain't running.
Ain't who running, man? Ain't nobody running.
No, nobody ain't running. I'm trying to figure out what you doing,
That nigga fucking grass.
bro. What?
Fucking the grass.
Hey, we ain't running, though. Man, y'all niggas crazy, man. I ain't gonna let them go. Man, what you gonna do? You gonna talk or you gonna hate?
Gotta get this nigga.
Quill.
What's up, dog?
Man, you ain't gonna be doing that shit in front of me, man. You either gonna be working there, you gonna be letting them niggas know you ain't playing. Man, this some bullshit, man.
Oh,
Hey, man, what's your name?
he spilled this shit.
Hey, can I introduce myself?
What? Who?
My name Chip.
What's going on? Rob.
Nice to meet you, Rob.
All right, brother.
What's your name?
Shit, I ain't got no name.
God bless you. Hey, man, I'm just here to introduce myself.
What'd he say?
Who?
He ain't say nothing, did he?
I don't know. I'll just tell
What'd he say, Angie? Nothing? He didn't say nothing, bro.
Nah, hey man, I ain't trying to, I'm just being me. I'm Chips.
Chips.
Yeah, spelled CHIPZ.
I got you.
with you, bro. Get up out the
No,
yard.
I'm here.
Go.
Hey man,
What are you talking about?
we gotta go, bro. Bro,
Police ain't about to come over here.
we about to go, bro.
Whoop that nigga ass. You better whoop that nigga.
Police ain't about to come over here, dog. You gotta cut this shit out,
Dad at home.
What? No.
Look at this bitch ass nigga. Think he talking running shit. Ain't running shit.
Oh, cuz,
With his
nigga, you
bitch
don't say
ass.
no shit. Don't come over there talking to her like you fucking
What'd he
know
say?
her. Oh, girl, something.
Nigga say shit to her. You know he
Angel was
drunk.
right
You know that
there. It
nigga
don't
drunk.
matter.
You know niggas.
Police about to come
All
over here.
right.
They hot as fuck, nigga.
Police.
Nigga stupid, man.
Yeah. Police about to come.
Who called?
Why? We ain't
Why?
in there. I swear.
Swear.
Oh, police. Man.
You better run, bro.
Man,
Run.
I hate the police.
They came?